శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ, చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ, సరస్వతీ దేవి, వ్యాస మహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. After Suta Maharshi disclosed all these things to Saunaka and other rishis, Saunaka Maharshi is now asking a question to Suta Mahamuni, saying that, "O Suta Mahamune, after this Asvathama shooted Brahmasirshna Vuru Tejasa Brahmastram, that Brahmastram went and destroyed Uttara's pregnancy. But Isena, with the blessing of, with the anugraham of Sri Krishna Paramatma, Ajivitaha, that pregnant got survived, that child got survived." Now, we would like to know about that particular child, Parikshin Maharaju. We heard that he is very, very smart and very intellectual, very enlightened. How did he got survived? Again, how did he departed? Pretya Gatavan Yadha. We would also like to know how did that Parikshin Maharaju, after he departed from his body, what happened to him? Where did he go? Tadidam Srotumichamo. O Suta Mahamune, we all would like to hear all those details. Can you please disclose all those details? Like that, Saunaka asked Suta Mahamuni. Then Saunaka also mentioning to Suta Mahamuni, "O Suta Mahamune, how did it happen that Sri Sukha Maharshi taught Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshit?" We would like to know about all those things. Then Suta Mahamuni saying to Saunaka and other rishis, "O Maharshis, see, after all these things happened, Dharmaraju started ruling his kingdom. He has started ruling his kingdom like Pitruvat Ranjayan Prajaha." He started taking care of all the people just like as and how a father takes care of the children. He is doing like that. Dharmaraju started leading his life very righteously. Nispruhaha sarvakamebhyaha. Even though he is in the middle of all the pleasures, but he completely renunciated that with his mind, because his mind is occupied with Krishna Padanu Sevaya. Eternally, all the time, constantly, continuously, his mind started thinking about Sri Krishna Divya Charanaravindas. That is why he did not pay more attention. He did not consciously enjoy anything in that world. As and how when someone is feeling hungry, no matter whatever you bring, he would not feel happy unless you feed him. That is how Dharmaraju's mind is craving for Krishna Paramatma. That is what is the hunger in his mind. Then that is why all the time Dharmaraju is thinking about Krishna, but not at all enjoying, not at all feeling so happy, not at all feeling so satisfied about all the pleasures that are there around him. That is why Dharmaraju's fame has spreaded all over the worlds. And whatever the Dharmaraju has, that wealth and great fame, even those who are there in heaven also started feeling that, oh, why shouldn't we get that kind of fame? Why shouldn't we get that kind of wealth? To that extent, even people who are there in heaven also started feeling like that after seeing Dharmaraju's status. Because all this happened because of Dharmaraju's complete attention towards Mukunda Manasaha. So, this is how the Dharmaraju started ruling the kingdom, leading the life. And now, when we look into this Uttara's pregnancy, what is happening is, because of that Brahmastram of Aswathama, this Uttara Garbham, the pregnancy started completely getting burnt with the tejas with the power of that Brahmastram. At that time, the child who is there, Dakhyamanaha, almost about to be completely burnt out, that child, Dadarsa Purusham, he started noticing someone there along with him in the same garbham, in the same stomach. He started observing someone going around him. That child started observing and noticing. What is that? We will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.